everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandra. If you didn't know, if you're new, hi, welcome. And those who have been following me and who has been subscribed to the channel, welcome back to a new tutorial. We're here working on this beautiful eye look. I was inspired to create this look because I went and dyed my hair by Lisette. She is my hairstylist here in New York, and she's a really good friend of mine. I will link her down below, but we're in phase 2 here in New York, so I was able to go see her, and I was able to get these roots done because Lord have mercy, my hair had grow out like really bad. She didn't even believe it until she started like doing my hair. She was like, your hair grew a lot, and I was like, yeah, it did. So I was really excited to go ahead and do this hair, and we're definitely, it's been the second time I went as bright as this green. The very first time was when I graduated out of college with my degree, with a bachelor's degree in fashion marketing and management, and I will insert the picture right here. So I did that color back then, and I obviously went through changes, and after that color I went yellow and I went back to green. Green has become a super staple in my brand and growing my brand. So green is almost in everything, from my logo, from every little thing, you know, green is just there. I just identify with the color, and it's just something about it just spoke to me when I picked those shades the very first time that I went and got my hair done. It's been since then. So when I was creating this look, I really was just thinking about my hair, and I was like, I really want to focus on bringing this hair color together, and I was like, this palette was gonna be perfect for this look, and which I was really excited. It's beautiful. It's beautiful shades of green. I definitely did enjoy the colors. It's something out of my comfort zone because I tend to not to do, like, this is probably the second eye look that I do that it is with green, and really it's really out of my comfort zone. I am more of a liquid eyeliner person. That's what I live off of. Like, when I do any of my makeup looks, when I have to get ready for work, I just live off of a liquid eyeliner and a lippy, and that's it. But I was really excited. I was really inspired by my hair today to create this fabulous look for you guys. So to not ramble around, but yeah, I'm really excited. I think it's just very refreshing to get a haircut. I did cut a little bit just to even out the hair, but getting a haircut, getting a fresh color just always brings up the mood, especially with being in quarantine here in New York for months. It definitely was great to just see a familiar face, because I have been like not seeing a lot of people, so it was really wonderful to see a really good friend of mine. But yeah, so I wanted to say, I hope you guys love the tutorial. I would definitely love to hear what you guys think in the comments below, and also like and comment, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think, because that always helps, and it helps me as a person to see what I can improve in any of my videos. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. Hey, I am Alexandra will be on the screen, and also will be in the comments below if you want to follow me on Instagram. So overall, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in my next one. Bye guys.
find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.